This video explains how to complete the personality and career assignment. This assignment will be completed in 3 steps. Your first step is to complete the AchieveWorks personality assessment, which can be found here on the Human eSources AchieveWorks account. Here is a direct link. Once you take your personality assessment, you'll download and save the results. Here is a link to the instructions if you're having difficulty saving your results. Here is an example of how to do that. So once you open them, you should be able to save them. And once you save them on your desktop, you will then turn to answering your questions. There are 6 questions to be answered. This is a journal prompt, so click on the journal link. It is recommended you copy the questions before you create your journal. Paste the questions, and again, you can answer each question right after each question ends, or you can hit enter and answer below. Before you post your entry, make sure that you attach your personality results. So if they were saved here, double click and post entry.